Welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today, we're exploring the 4 best free apps for Windows 10. But before we dive into translations, we'll check out a cool utility app that enhances your device experience. Now, let's get started. At number 4 on our list is Lively Wallpaper, rated 4.5 stars with 317 reviews. This free and open source app allows you to set GIFs, videos, and even web pages as your desktop wallpaper or screensaver, giving your iPhone a lively and dynamic touch. Here are 3 standout features. Set GIFs and videos as wallpaper. Easily bring your home screen to life with animated wallpapers. Web page wallpapers. Turn any web page into a live wallpaper or screensaver. Open source and community driven. Contribute ideas, report issues, or customize the app as it's fully open source. Now let's take a quick look at the app's interface. When you open Lively Wallpaper, you'll start at the Library tab, where you can browse and select your existing wallpapers. Moving over to the Gallery, you can view all the available GIFs, videos, and web pages ready to be applied, making it simple to choose your favorite. Lastly, the Updates tab keeps you informed about new content or app improvements, so you never miss the latest additions. Navigating through the app is smooth and intuitive, with clearly labeled tabs and a straightforward layout, making it easy for anyone to customize their iPhone wallpaper in just a few clicks. Whether you're adding a GIF, video, or web page, the process is simple and visually appealing, perfect for personalizing your device effortlessly. At number 3 on our list is Microsoft PowerToys, rated 4.4 stars with 140 reviews. This app is a set of utilities designed for power users, helping to streamline Windows experiences and improve overall productivity. Here are 3 standout features. Fancy Zones. Organize your windows into custom layouts to optimize multitasking. PowerToys Run. Quickly launch apps, files, or folders with a fast search bar. Keyboard Manager. Remap keys and create custom shortcuts for smoother workflow. Now let's take a look at the app's interface. When you open PowerToys, the first screen you see is the Home tab, which gives an overview of all available utilities and their current status. Clicking the General tab allows you to adjust basic settings, such as enabling or disabling specific tools and controlling startup options. Next, the System Tools section provides quick access to utilities like Fancy Zones and PowerToys Run, letting you configure advanced window layouts and search options. The Advanced tab is where you can tweak more detailed settings for each utility, customizing them to fit your workflow. Finally, in File Management, you can enable and configure tools like the Power Rename utility, helping you batch rename files efficiently. Navigating through Microsoft PowerToys is intuitive, with a clean layout and easy-to-read menus. Each tab and menu is clearly labeled, making it simple for both beginners and advanced users to explore all the powerful features this app offers. At number 2 on our list is Microsoft PC Manager, rated 4.4 stars with 76 reviews. This app is designed to enhance your PC's performance effortlessly, with features for storage cleanup, file management, and overall system optimization. Here are 3 standout features. One-click performance boost. Quickly optimize your PC to improve speed and efficiency. Storage cleanup. Easily free up space by removing unnecessary files and clutter. App management. Monitor and manage installed apps for better system performance. Now, let's take a look at the app's interface. On the home screen, you get an overview of your PC's performance, including storage usage, system health, and quick access to optimization tools. The Protection tab allows you to check for security risks and ensures your PC is safe from potential threats. In the Storage section, you can see detailed information about your disk space and perform cleanups to free memory quickly. The Apps tab lets you view all installed applications, uninstall programs, or manage app resources efficiently. Finally, the Tools tab provides access to additional utilities for system maintenance and advanced PC management. Navigating Microsoft PC Manager is simple and intuitive. Each screen clearly shows the options available, making it easy for anyone to maintain and optimize their PC without any technical expertise. At number 1 on our list is QuickLook, rated 4.4 stars with 28 reviews. This app allows you to preview the contents of files almost instantly by simply pressing the spacebar, making it a real time saver for managing documents and media. Here are 3 standout features. Instant file preview. Press the spacebar to quickly see the contents of files without opening them. Multi-format support. Preview images, documents, and media files with ease. Customizable controls. Zoom, run, or adjust volume with simple keyboard and mouse shortcuts. Now, let's explore the app's interface. On your PC, when you select a file and press the spacebar, the preview window opens immediately, showing the file content clearly and efficiently. Pressing Yes closes the preview at any time, while pressing Enter runs the file and closes the preview automatically. For images and documents, you can use Ctrl plus mouse wheel to zoom in or out, and for audio or video files, scrolling the mouse wheel adjusts the volume without leaving the preview. The interface is minimal and unobtrusive, giving you quick access to file content without any distractions. Using QuickLook is smooth and intuitive. The app's simple design and keyboard shortcuts make file management faster, allowing you to preview, zoom, or run files with almost no effort. It's perfect for anyone who works with many files and wants a faster, cleaner workflow. And that's it. We hope you found this guide helpful and discovered some useful tools to make your device experience even better. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tutorials from PC Error Detective, and we'll see you in the next video.